Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. So for today it's gonna be a pretty short video. I just wanted to let everyone know what I'm working on and oh just give everyone an update of where everything's at in terms of builds. The um thank you everyone for all your orders. I already sold out on all the my initial build of marathon controllers for the sprint. I did get more parts in, but I'm gonna wait for this batch to get done first before I update any kind of quantities on my website. So luckily the new batch I got in of controllers I got in are all I opened them up. I was really happy to see that they were all this design with the basically all through hole, which makes it a lot easier for me to go ahead and pull this joystick off. And before I was coming down the backside and getting off test points, so it's just as easy for me to just scrape a little bit off. You can actually see here, scrape a little bit off of the. So, can't remember the word for it right now. Oh, mask, solder mask. No, something else. Whatever. You scrape it off, and you can get access to the traces directly, so it makes it easier to solder right to it. So, although actually got a batch of 10 came in from Ali. Those look great. So I already have the 3D prints done for all the pockets and the knobs. Now I've got a couple cut already on my CNC. So that's going along. And then on where I'm working through right now is I'm building up a bunch of sub assemblies for. I have quite a few Atari 5200 orders on hand right now, and I do have my next video. I probably will have a couple of someone bought a left hand and a right hand stick of the True Intellivision True 16 Ultimate, which is the extra four buttons for the other numeric keypads, so you can fire away at the same time. So yeah, that's coming along. But yeah, these are actually just the little sub assemblies they make up. These are the circuit boards they use on the 5200, and this is I standardize it so I use IDC connectors for the uh, joystick, and this is actually for the fire and what's the other one? My brain is frazzled right now. I don't know why. Anyways, so this is part of the 5200, so it's going to be building up a big pile of them tonight, which I'm going to have to pause or stop the video after that because the fume extractor. That's a quick question for the wife. If you want to get a bracelet off. But anyways, yeah, so I'll be building these up, and my fume extractor. This guy is a little loud when you're trying to do videos. Heck, a lot of times I put headphones on because it just even the overhead, even my normal speakers, just don't compete well with um, the fume extractor white noise. But yeah, I'm gonna be building. I'm really enjoying this new uh, bench I have with all these little octopusy little hands here, so I can hold everything in place. So I shall start soldering in a minute, and not dying from um, flux. So, all right, I'm just gonna get back to work here. I think I just updated my website like yesterday or the day before. Yeah, it was on Memorial Day. With all, I kind of changed the formatting of the order tracking, so you'll see I get rid of initials because I'm always screwing up initials. So I just have the order number, and then what system it's for, and then I have a bunch of columns listing the enclosures cut, and then what kind of controller is it? Is it a classic? Is it an overlay? Is it a true 16? Is it an ultimate? Is it a marathon? And what handed it is. So you can see on there all the things I'm working on right now. So I think it's like 25 controllers. So I gotta get to work. So everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for ordering. If you do order now, I mean, I do have parts for everything. It's just it's going to be on back order until I get through this big old backlog I have right now. But it turned out to be a heck of a year in terms of everything. So thanks for watching, everyone.